Hey everyone, P&J Productions in the new year. Happy 2025. What do you say, bro?
I'd say that this is an MOC,
MOC, what is
mock,
that? A mock
my own
creation?
creation.
Ah,
Yes, for all those unaware. And technically, under the law, I'm now an AFOL, is what you would call them. AFOL,
AFOL, what's that?
adult fan of Lego.
Oh, okay.
So I am an AFOL. You're.
You know what that sounds like. Okay, we'll keep it clean. AFOL, yeah. This is my ice cream transport truck, I believe.
Yep.
And of course, there's King Tut right next door.
Yeah.
You waiting for some ice cream?
Now I believe I made this around August, September, around there. But
It's going to be part of your Lego City you're building?
yep.
Oh, all right.
And you can see that it does have an ice cream logo on the little Stay Cool, which I got from a Lego set. And their slogan actually for the ice cream truck was "Only the best." So there you
That's
go.
true.
Because I was like, I was building it, and I was like, it's not personalized enough. It's just, why am I making this just blank white vehicle? It has to have like
Box on the back, yeah.
some type of personality to it. I was like, hey, I'll just use branding from the ice cream truck set and
Oh, there you
use
go.
it for this mock.
Looks very nice.
Yep. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the guy has kind of like an Arctic looking outfit, like a cold, like he's preparing for the cold or something.
Prepared to work in the cold, huh?
Makes sense for.
Yeah, that's a refrigerated truck, huh? He's got to unload
Yep.
it by hand.
Yep, it makes a lot of sense, and the slogan is kind of here too.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you're building, so I was building this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Man, it was a creative process. Like, it took me, like, just going through the motions. This one actually was easier than I thought.
Oh, it was, huh?
Yeah, I got through it. Like, I didn't have too many creative blocks.
Ah, good. Got a lift gate on the back
Yep.
so you can dolly it off or use a pallet jack, roll it right off.
And I saw many of these when we were in San Diego. I saw this multiple times. I saw that type of lift gate, and because I think I added the lift gate after seeing that in real life, and I was like,
Oh, really?
that would be a.
Is that when they were unloading the tuna at the tuna processing place
No, I think it was on the road.
on the freeway? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That's where I saw it, but that's where the inspiration for that came from.
Very nice. You got to zoom in lens and zoom out.
Yep. And I still like that decal. I really wanted to make use of those decals. Those are cool.
Mm-hmm.
Stickers. Now, as you might expect, King Tut does not like ice cream. It's way too cold for him.
Way too cold. Oh,
He's-
no.
Like I said, he's acclimated, I guess you could say, to the warm weather all the time. So
Yeah. Probably came from the desertous region.
So it'd be quite a shock for him if he was cold. Yeah, he doesn't like the cold at all.
Yeah.
So he's going to get away from this thing
Ah,
as soon as possible.
yeah. And that's our conclusion of our ice cream truck. And hope you have a good year.
Oh, hey, the company of this ice cream company is P&J's ice cream, whatever.
Ah,
Whatever
all
you-
right.
Some creative or something like
Something
that.
creative? All
that involves
right.
P&J.
Ah, of course.
P&J's ice cream company, whatever.
All right. We'll see you next time.